Hey everyone, welcome back to BTech. I'm super excited to introduce you to something mind-blowing, Higgsfield Recast. With this tool, you can swap characters and voices in your videos in just minutes. Yes, you heard that right. Full-body character swaps with real motion tracking and AI dubbing that looks totally realistic. Not just with your face, but with your full body, your gestures, your movement, even your voice. All powered by AI. That's exactly what Higgsfield Recast does. It's not a face filter or a cheap overlay. It's full body motion cloning with physics so real it looks filmed, not faked. Recast tracks your posture, your hands, and even micro gestures to create videos that look like a studio production. Except everything is generated in minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you how Higgsfield Recast completely transforms the way creators make videos. I'll swap between over 30 different characters, change entire backgrounds with a single click, and even clone my own voice or dub it into 6 different languages, all inside one browser-based tool. This is the first time I've seen AI truly nail full body realism. No hand glitches, no broken motion, just clean identity transfer and stable performance. Whether you're a VTuber, a faceless creator, or a filmmaker experimenting with AI, this is the tool that can replace hours of setup and thousands of dollars in production costs. So let's jump into Higgsfield Recast, test how real these swaps feel, and see if AI has finally caught up to cinema. The link to try it out is available in the description below, so make sure to check it out after watching this video. So first of all, you'll need to create an account on the official Higgsfield website. Once you're in, you'll notice a section called Recast. That's where the real magic happens. Simply click on Recast, and here's where you can swap characters in any video with a single click. This feature unlocks endless creative possibilities. Perfect for YouTubers, filmmakers, advertisers, and even casual creators who just want to experiment with something new. Alright, let's do a quick demo. Here, I'm going to upload my sample video first. Shows the uploading process. Now, I'll upload a character image that I want to replace the person in the video with. Once both files are uploaded, simply click on Generate Video and let the AI do the rest. And here we go. You can see the face has been beautifully swapped in the video. Completely seamless, no editing skills required. And the best part? You can download your new video instantly with just one click. Now, let's explore the full Recast Studio for even more powerful options. When you click on Try Full Recast Studio, you'll see several customization features. You can choose from different preset characters, boys, girls, models, actors, or even upload your own image to create a fully personalized swap. Next, let's talk about one of my favorite parts, the voice and dubbing section. Here, you can add a brand new voice or dub your existing video into multiple languages. Click on All. You can even preview different AI voices before applying them.
Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting 2 bodies. Love is composed of a single soul. The stillness of the evening was pierced by the sudden.
Fitness is the key to a happy and...
Honestly. Rivers stretch their arms to the seas.
The choice is all yours. Imagine creating a single video and dubbing it into 5 different languages for your international audience. How cool is that? And it doesn't stop there. You can even change the background of your video. Whether you're using a green screen or want a completely new digital background, Higgsfield makes it super easy. Just upload your background or choose from the available ones, hit Generate, and that's it. Now, your character, voice, and background all changed with AI in just minutes. Let's try another example. This time, I'll replace the main character with a female model and also change the background. And wow, look at that! The character has completely changed and the new background fits perfectly. You can preview the result right inside the platform or download it immediately to use in your projects. This makes it perfect for ads, tutorials, entertainment clips, or even AI storytelling videos. Now, let's talk about the pricing plans because this part really impressed me. Basic plan starts from $9 per month. Pro plan starts from $17.4 per month if billed annually. Ultimate plan starts from $29 per month. And Creator plan costs $149 per month. The Creator plan gives you 6,000 credits per month, while the Ultimate plan provides 1,200 credits. And yes, you get full access to all video models including Google Nano, Banana, Seedream 4.0, and Imagination. So whether you're a beginner or a professional creator, there's a plan that fits your needs. Overall, Higgsfield Recast is a total game changer for creators. With instant character swaps, voice dubbing, and background editing, you can turn any simple video into a cinematic AI masterpiece. If you're someone who loves experimenting with video creativity, this tool will blow your mind. Don't forget, the link to try Higgsfield Recast is available in the description below, so definitely check it out after watching this video. And if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tool reviews and tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.